guys, in today's video, we're going to begin tearing down the motor of the Mustang here. Next video, you're going to want to see, we're going to start putting on the new parts. But today, or tonight, we're just going to start tearing this thing apart. So, let's get into it.
They say never use chrome on an impact, but that's a bunch of baloney, in my opinion. So, it's not looking bad either. There's the dipstick. It's great. Everything is just coming out perfectly. Nothing's breaking.
That's a first for us.
Yeah, you know. I guess this is what happens when you work on nice cars. Just one little bolt down here holding it in. Oh, well.
Bad news bears.
Yeah, that's no good. Here, take that.
All right.
Now we're moving on to distributor.
I got it.
All right, you got it. Had a little technical difficulties, but
Yeah.
yeah,
The
that's
camera
okay.
was stalling.
Yeah, something like that.
We're just replaying the clip over and over. Darn thing.
And this should come right out. Probably getting MSD for it.
Busting him up, yeah.
You guys are neither Robert's help.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, Robert. What was that? Among further inspection, we have found a hornet's nest.
Luckily, it's winter.
Luckily, it's winter, yes.
Yeah, they won't be giving us any problems now.
Best in an electric ratchet.
There you go. Off comes the oil pan. Yeah, so when you do an oil change, that's really how much is left in there.
Yep. We have found yet another hornet's nest. You can see the actual hornets.
Yes.
Robert came in clutch with some tacos.
Heck yeah.
Thanks, Robert.
So you see the rockers on the stock ones, there's no bearing inside of there, so they're kind of have a lot of resistance when they're going up and down. So we're gonna fix that with some roller rockers when the time comes. So this is why everybody puts roller rockers in them, because you can see it's just on a little hinge right there, and it's pure friction just rolling up in there. Well, I guess it's got oil in it, but still not as efficient as a roller rocker.
What on earth did you do? Oh!
You broke the fucking ratchet.
Check that out.
Yeah, there you go.
That's so cool.
It is. For those of you wondering what a lifter looks like, that's it. These go bad on some vehicles, but our lifters seem pretty good. They got low miles on them, so we're gonna reuse them. Go nice and easy with this. Don't wanna bang into anything too hard.
Yep.
Spare block.
It's bare bones. Nothing is in this thing.
Except these bearings.
Couple
But
bearings, but that's
that's it. Everything else is empty. So
packaged away.
we're gonna send it to machine shop, and we'll be back once that all gets done.
Yep.
But yeah, everything's off.